Welcome back to Bernard Farms. In today's video, I'm sharing a powerful natural disinfectant that you can make right at home using hot chili, salt and lemon water. This simple mix is a game changer for keeping your poultry environment clean, safe and disease-free without spending a lot on commercial chemicals. Stay with me till the end because I will also show you the right way to prepare and apply it for best results. Before we jump into preparation, let's understand why this natural disinfectant works so well. Commercial disinfectants can be harsh, expensive, and sometimes harmful if not used correctly. On the other hand, this natural solution is cheap, safe for your pets, and effective against germs and bad odors. It kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi naturally, using the antibacterial and antifungal properties of chili, salt and lemon. Let's take a closer look at each of these natural ingredients and what makes them powerful. We'll start with hot chili. It contains capsaicin, a natural compound that fights harmful bacteria and fungi. It also helps in repelling insects and parasites in your poultry house. For example, studies have shown that the compound in chili pepper can destroy salmonella, a common threat in poultry. On two, we have salt. Salt has a strong antiseptic properties. It helps kill germs by drawing out moisture from bacteria. It's also excellent for cleaning feeders, drinkers and poultry equipment. Using salt water regularly helps reduce bad smell and prevent slimy buildup in drinkers. On three, we have lemon water, which is a natural disinfectant and a deodorizer. It helps cut through dirty, greasy, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Plus, it leaves a fresh, clean scent after cleaning. Now, let's move on to preparation of our natural disinfectant step by step. You will need 5 to 6 fresh hot chilies, red or green, 3 tablespoons of salt, and also 2 lemons, medium or large size, 2 liters of clean water, a blender or something that you can use to crush the chilies. Firstly, what you do is you crush or blend the chilies until they form a smooth paste. On 2, add salt and mix thoroughly. 3, squeeze lemon juice into mixture. 4, pour in 2 liters of water and stir it well until everything blends. 5, let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the ingredients to release their compounds. 6, strain the mixture using a cloth if you want a clean liquid for spraying. And there you have it, your powerful natural disinfectant ready for use. You can use this mixture in several ways around your poultry farm. Spraying poultry house, spray the disinfectant on walls, floors and corners after cleaning out litter. It helps destroy bacteria and keeps the air fresh. 2, clean feeders and drinkers. Soak them in the solution for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with clean water. This removes slime and kills harmful germs. 3, foot bath. Pour some in shallow basin at the entrance to prevent contamination from shoes. 4, odor control. You can also spray lightly on litter or around the coop to reduce bad smells naturally. Repeat this cleaning process once or twice a week for best results. Your poultry will thank you for it. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Avoid spraying directly on chickens. The compound from chili can irritate their eyes. Always use gloves when handling the mixture. Store leftover disinfectant in a cool, dark place and use within 3 days. Don't mix it with commercial chemicals. Keep it pure natural. After using this disinfectant regularly, you will notice cleaner, fresh smelling coop, healthier chickens with fewer infections, and lower cleaning costs since all ingredients are natural and affordable. Also a safer environment for both you and your flock. So there you have it, the natural disinfectant made from hot chili, salt and lemon water. It's easy to make, affordable and powerful. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it works for your poultry farm. In the next video, I will be sharing another natural farm solution, so make sure you subscribe, like this video and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new uploads. Till next time, peace, love and light.